Parrot Spoke, a fable by Santy Hernandez. Long, long ago, there were two birds named Eagle and Parrot. Eagle showed off by talking in 3 languages. Ha ha, I can speak 3 languages and you cannot talk to monkey or snake, said the eagle to the parrot. Parrot said, I don't like that. Please stop bragging. No one will want to be your friend if you do not stop. Parrot liked to play with his friends, but he did not like playing with Eagle because he showed off all the time. The next day, Parrot was playing with his friends. Eagle came over and started showing off again. Parrot said in his mind, I wish I could talk. Parrot was happy because it was his birthday, but he was still a little sad because he wanted to speak 3 languages too. He went walking and saw the wise and beautiful Quetzal, who said, You will have something special if you are patient. Parrot was patient, and after many months of waiting and listening to the other animals of the forest, he learned to speak their languages. Eagle was so embarrassed that he flew from the forest and built his nest high on the hill. Now parrots can talk and eagles do not. Moral: always be patient, nice, and happy, and don't show off. The end.